Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something really practical for anyone flying the L700 Pro RC drone. It's a spare parts kit specifically designed for that model, and it includes a LiPo battery and a set of propeller blades. As any drone pilot knows, having spare parts, especially batteries and props, is absolutely crucial. You never want to be grounded because of a dead battery or a broken blade. This particular kit is marketed as an easy-to-install, sturdy, and durable replacement option. The idea is that one replacement should last you a good while, keeping your L700 Pro in the air. Getting a kit like this that bundles both a battery and propellers makes a lot of sense. These are arguably the two most common things you'll need to replace or have spares of. Batteries, of course, for extended flight time, and propellers because, well, accidents happen, or even just wear and tear over time can affect performance. Looking at the components, the battery is a LiPo battery, which is standard for many drones, offering a good power-to-weight ratio. Having an extra one means you can double your flight time by simply swapping it out when the first one runs low. The propellers are designed specifically for the L700 Pro, which is important for ensuring proper fit, balance, and flight characteristics. Using the correct props is vital for stable and efficient flight. The claim that these parts are easy to install is a big plus. Drone maintenance shouldn't require a degree in engineering. Being able to quickly swap out a battery or replace a damaged propeller means less downtime and more flying. Sturdiness and durability are also key factors. You want parts that can withstand the stresses of flight and perhaps the occasional less-than-perfect landing. If these parts live up to that claim, they represent good value. It's also worth noting the seller's statement about being responsible for their products and offering support. Knowing that the seller stands behind the quality and is available to help if issues arise adds a layer of confidence when purchasing spare parts online. It suggests they are confident in what they are selling and are committed to customer satisfaction. Ultimately, for L700 Pro owners, this kit seems like a very sensible purchase. It addresses the most common needs for spare parts in one package. Having these on hand means you're prepared for longer flying sessions and unexpected incidents. It's about minimizing frustration and maximizing flight time. If the claims of easy installation, durability, and long life hold true, then this kit could be an essential accessory for keeping your L700 Pro flying smoothly for a long time. It's always better to have spares and not need them than to need them and not have them. This kit provides that peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.